Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on March 11, 2022. 3-star Sudoku. Column F. 3 numbers are remaining. 1, 4, 7. It will come any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column G, we have 8. 6th row also we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. 6th row and 7th row we have 8. Column I also we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column H and column J we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. 7th row also we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. Then 4 is confirmed here. 5th row and 7th row we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column F, only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 7. It will come in any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Fifth row, 4 numbers are remaining, 1, 3, 7, 9. Column G and column C we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Column C we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. Then 9 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 7. It will come in any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column C and column D we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. 5th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. It will come in any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Sixth row on column J we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. 6th row we have 2 and 6. So 2 and 6 can't come this cell. It will come in any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Fourth grade, only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 7. It will come in any one of the cells. We will confirm later. 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 7. It will come in any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Third row and 4th row we have pair numbers 4 and 5. The 4 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come in any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Second row, third row we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Second grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 7. Column E we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Third row, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 6, 8. Column H and column I we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. Column I we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Fourth row, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 6, 7. Third grade, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 7, it will come any one of the cells. We will confirm later. First grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 1 to 7. It will come any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Second row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 8. Column H, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column H, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. Then 3 is confirmed here. Sixth grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 7. It will come any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 7. It will come any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column J and 10th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. 9th row and column I, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Column J, only 1 number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. 9th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 7. It will come any one of the cells. We will confirm later. 8th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 1 to 5. 8th grade, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. Column B also we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. Then 5 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. It will come any one of the cells. We will confirm later. 9th row on column B, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Tenth row and column G, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Column B and column D, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. 9th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell. 2 will come in any of the cells. We will confirm later. Column B, we have 2 and 7. So 2 and 7 can't come in this cell. It will come in any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Then only 1 number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. Column B, we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. In column B, only 1 number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. 7th grade, only 1 number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. 9th row, only 1 number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 4. Column E, we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Since 6 is here, so 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column G, we have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column D, we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 6th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column H, only 1 number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. 10th row, only 1 number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. Since 1 is here, so 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 7th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. column D we got 7, so 7 can't come in this cell, 7 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. Since 2 is here, so 2 can't come in this cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.